What's up guys? I hope you're all okay. I am so happy and excited because I'm going to London for the Animal Rights March today. And I don't know, like, excuse me if you can see my camera is... It looks weird, I don't know. I'm really crap with technology and like cameras and stuff like that. So I'm gonna ask a few friends that are good with cameras because it seems like before the quality was amazing and I haven't dropped it or anything, not that I know of, and the lens is clean and everything, but it looks kind of grainy and greyish. Like, if you have any advice, do let me know because I'm sad. It was so good, but yeah, it looks, I don't know, I look kind of grey. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video and I'm gonna take you guys with me. Yeah, let's go. Goodbye, my babies. I love you. Bonnie doesn't really like to be stroked, but let's try. I love you. Oh, good job. Bye.
You don't like what it was, then change what it is. Cause stories only are what you make them. Wake up, get up and do something. You gotta wake up, get up and do something. Yeah, it don't take much but a simple equation. You plus your imagination.
You really have to want to get in. Woo. Hey guys, so first of all, I think I fixed my camera, and second of all, I don't know, I think it looks better now, but anyways, enough about my camera. This is not a vlog about my camera. I've arrived in my hotel in London and it's such a nice room. I could have like, well, I don't have kids, but I could have a kid in there, or a very small person. Bed, yeah, it's like a really nice room, and I'm just like showing you around. Nice bathroom, shower and bath, yeah, and not to forget, this is weird, there. I can't really show you guys. There. Tomorrow, Animal Rights March. Hey guys, so today is the day of the march. I'm so excited. Wearing my t-shirt for the march. I am so excited. It's going to be amazing. And I think like last year when I went, I think there was about 2,000, 3,000 people and it was just insane. So this time it's just gonna be crazy. I don't even know how many people. I think it's like 5,000 plus people coming. So really hoping it's gonna make a huge impact. And yeah, it's just gonna be... I just felt so empowered last time. I remember after the march just feeling so inspired by everyone and wanting to do more and fight more for the animals. So yeah, I just can't wait, so I really hope you enjoy also. Hey guys, so I just got to the march place where it's going to start and it's not even time yet. It's probably, what, 45 minutes before the start time I think, and look how many people there are already. It's gonna be amazing!
What do we want? Animal liberation! No! Animal liberation! No! Animal liberation! No! There's no excuse! We want freedom! We want justice! We want freedom! We want justice!
Move that way.
Sorry.
So we're at Yorica now. Say hi, Chris. We can see you. We came for ice cream. What have you got? Oh. Look at that. Oh, it's focusing on my phone. Waffles and ice cream. So it's the end of the day. It was really inspiring today. It was amazing. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Say bye to Chris.